Mr. Gertz on Solomon. Is it just one case he has?
Sorry, it's three.
Couple of different cases. Oh, boy. All out of the same event? Or-
Same stuff. Same.
Where's, Mr. Solomon? Please call, Seraphiel Solomon out into the hall, please. There's no answer in the courtrooms. He has three cases here.
Yes.
That are all serious, including sexual assault of a child. There's no response to that name called here in the courtroom. No response to that name called into the hall. Defendant has failed to appear before court today for the trial docket. What are his bonds, please?
On 39310, his bond is $50,000.
His bond is revoked. Warrant is issued for his arrest on 39310. His bond will be $100,000. 39311. It's the new system that's improved. That takes a long
50,000.
now.
50,000 on 1-1.
And in 3911, that is doubled to $100,000 as well, and a warrant is issued for his arrest on that one. Finally, 39312. All of these are serious allegations,
Also 50,000.
and that one is 50 as well. So it is doubled to $100,000 on each case. And he must have a GPS device.
I believe he does have a GPS device.
So
He lives in
we don't know
not
where
in a lot of it right now, but he lives in Fort Worth, Dallas.
warrants will be issued for his
If
arrest.
he arrives.
And the bonds will be no problem. Thank you. Then Leroy Holden.
I think that's dismissed.
Was that dismissed?
Oh, it's not. Well, that's me. With my Blair.
Which was so.
No. What's that?
One of them is.
Sonny doesn't dismiss cases. That's the word on the street. That's what he spread. Spread that around. Leroy Holden there.
Let me hold it, Mr. On that.
What are you going to do on Leroy Holden, folks? Hold on. One catastrophe at a time.
I'm at the bottom.
Yeah, but we got a judge ready, willing, and able to try it.
One on now.
Yeah,
Well, let me see what I can do.
yeah.
Let me work some magic.
Yeah, go with it.
It's gonna be Mr. Solomon. He's here.
Yeah, he can have a seat right over here. You're late. The warrant is issued for your arrest. Really? Really? I mean, sexual assault of a child, prostitution, online solicitation of a minor. You're charged with those very serious, and you're ambling in late. Really? That's the way you take care of your business? That's what you think about and the importance of these cases? Well, that's why a warrant has been issued, and you're in timeout right now until we can get back to you here in a little bit. Okay? Failure is not an option. Thank you. On Bates, where are we on that?
Judge, I need a little bit more time to consider what they're asking me to do.
How much time?
Just a couple weeks. is fine.
Okay, we're gonna reset 2 weeks, okay? So we can exhaust that on Mr. Bates. Abner Castro.
That is the,
Okay, who's here in the room? Well, is anybody here in the room? Who is this?
Oh, Mr. Holden, yeah, he wasn't here earlier today.
Is he pleading out? Or no, that's a,
that was on the trial docket, Judge.
I was on the trial docket earlier this morning.
yeah, come on up. That's going on. That's on the trial doc. What is his name?
Holden.
Holden.
I gave you that file.
Okay, what did we do? We revoked his bond.
Yes, sir.
You were not here, and when we called your name here in the courtroom and out in the hall, What's your problem?
I have to catch the bus to get.
What are you saying?
I mean,
He said he had to catch the bus and he missed the bus.
Well, that's. You can't blame the bus driver. What else?
So that's it.
Okay, did we? We didn't, okay, what are we gonna do on this?
He's saying, you saying.
What
he's on trial.
do you wanna do?
He was on the trial docket.
Okay, it'll be set for trial, and just, we need to just hang loose until we release you for the trial. Mr. Adams is your attorney, he can, continue to represent you. He'd probably go to trial quicker if you agreed to release him, and someone off the trial docket wheel. The next person would be assigned today, but it's your call. You want to keep him or not?
Go fast.
Your call.
He said,
Sir?
he said he'll release me so to go
Is
fast.
that what you want to get it? Okay, then I find good cause to, you talk to Mr. Adams about your options here. Then I find good cause to release Mr. Adams. The next person on the trial docket wheel will be assigned to represent you for trial. Just have a seat before you leave, and if all is well, then get a resetting and we'll place it on the trial docket. Thank you. Okay, where's Mr. Solomon? Come on up.
And this
Who is his attorney?
Judge.
Brian
No.
Gertz. We'll have to call him.
Okay.
You have failed your drug test. You have tested positive for methamphetamine and amphetamine. Your bond is revoked and zero bond. You must have a drug patch as a if you will have to have a drug patch. I'm going to have a hearing on this when we can get Mr. Gertz, and we'll take up the issue on what bond conditions, if any, are matters that would be, the court would be willing to consider. And this was off the trial docket. So we're gonna get this straight for the record. You were coming in here for a trial today, and you're testing positive for methamphetamine and amphetamine. And I can guarantee you, sir, that your moral compass is out of whack if you feel like this is the way you should handle something
One
important.
defendant fails to appear, another strolls in late, and now, this showing up for a child sexual assault trial while testing positive for meth. In court, timing is everything, but so is judgment. Arriving high on a trial day doesn't just look bad, it erases any hope of
Something
leniency.
important like trials which are of sexual assaults of children, prostitution, and online solicitation of minor. You handled your responsibility. He tested positive for meth, amphetamine, and amphetamine, and his bonds are revoked. And
Your Honor,
no, don't talk to me. Talk to him before you start. This is a scientific test.
I don't deny. that.
And all right, you really have to work on handling your responsibilities and issues more
I slipped up.
like an adult should.
These
Okay,
things happen in my life. I slipped up.
all right. And I'll put it on a hearing for later, but right now, no bond on a trial docket day when you're testing positive. What were his bonds originally?
50,000 on each case.
50,000 on each one. All right, put this on Wednesday.
This Wednesday?
Yeah, can we, for a bond hearing, a hearing on bond. When can you be available?
I'll be here in another hearing on Wednesday.
Okay, we'll pick this up. We'll bring him back on Wednesday so that we'll get out of his system. And we'll be, because we're not gonna release him out anywhere while he's testing positive. All right. That's on that.
Your Honor, I used.
No, talk to him.
Definitely.
Okay, the next is that's
And then
Mr. Son,
They will make-
Leroy Holden. Leroy Holden,
He was on the trial.
yeah, you were on the trial docket too, right?
Yes.
Hold on.
Well, just give me it's on Wednesday. I'll come back to that hearing on Wednesday, but I'm gonna be filing a motion. Okay.
Okay. So, okay.
I think I handed you this file.
Yeah, I got that. I'm looking at the trial docket. Leroy Holden, Mr. Adams, where's Langston?
He left, Judge.
You tested positive today too, in your drugs. You've got cocaine in your system. And as well, you were placed, this was a trial docket. And the same railing on I'm going to do for you. You cannot, first of all, you failed to appear. Now you've appeared. When you've appeared, you have drugs in your system on the trial docket day, which means we couldn't try your case with you being tested positive for illegal drugs anyway. So what is his bond? Your bond is revoked in this case.
We did a no bond last time we looked.
Well, he failed to appear.
Yeah, yes, sir. I just $30,000.
Okay, your bond is now $100,000 for your drug usage on trial docket day. If you post a bond, you will have to have also a drug patch as a condition of your bond. You were taken into custody. Your attorney will be informed of the situation. That is all. Who else do we have?